Good morning. This is day 28. Awake to righteousness and do not sin, for some do not have the knowledge of God. 1 Corinthians chapter 15, verse 34. Ants and Elephant Seals, written by Dave Egner. Elephant seals spend most of their lives sleeping. Science News magazine reports male elephant seals measure 16 feet from trunk-like nose to flipper, and they weigh about 3 tons. Occasionally, a seal will use a front flipper, incredibly tiny for such a massive creature, to scratch itself or flip sun shielding sand on its body. Otherwise, these huge animals are basically motionless. The article goes on to state that because they don't eat while on land during the breeding season, they sleep most of the time. Besides scratching, dirt flipping, or rolling over, these ponderous animals seldom move. By contrast, the little ant seems tireless as it goes about its industrious work of storing up food for the colony. The writer of Proverbs commends the diligence of the ant, citing her active ways as a model for people who would live wisely. There's a spiritual lesson here. Christians who pattern their service after the ant get things done for the Lord, but others, like the elephant seal, scarcely move. They seem to be barely alive spiritually, as if they are conserving their energy for some huge effort later on. But the time to get busy for Christ is now, even though our talents may seem insignificant. Imitate the ant, not the elephant seal. Lord Christ, we humbly ask of Thee the power and will, with fear and meekness, every task of duty to fulfill. Our quote this morning reads, "Many Christians do nothing, but no Christian has nothing to do." End quote.